Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a water pump. These are the things that we need and I'm gonna show you how to connect them. First, you need to take the switch and take a small wire and connect it to the switch like this. And you need to connect the battery wire, one of the battery wire to here, battery wire to here, and you need to connect a battery wire to the motor that we are using now. And if we connect the last red wire here like this, and it's ready. If we on it first without any water, sorry, this got, it's like this. If we connect it, it is this, and after you connect it, and we need to drop this motor in the water and turn on the switch, and the water will come out soon. Water will come out like this, and you need to do like this. See you in the next video. Bye guys. And see it, I'm gonna repeat it again. And if you on it, it will come like this. Bye guys.